So you might be in an issue where for some reason you're getting some sort of iMessage activation error. So it might look something like this, where essentially your pop-up is just basically telling you like, hey, you're having an iMessage activation error, probably something along the lines of this. You might be looking like something else, but at its core, you're basically going to be getting one of these types of issues. Now, the reason why this is happening for the most part, one, it could be a network issue. So what you're going to want to do is you just want to double check your Wi-Fi connection and your cell connection. So just double check those particular things, and you just want to make sure you're in a good spot with those things. Because if your cell connection and your Wi-Fi connection is not good, that right there is going to be another big, massive issue. So just go and connect to those things, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for the most part, and that might be all you have to do from there. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the other thing you may want to do is you just want to check your date and your time settings. If your date and time settings are wrong, or if they're not completely set up properly, that can be another issue that you may run into. So make your way over to your settings right here, click on General. You want to scroll down into Date and Time, which is right here. So hop into Date and Time, and what you're going to want to do here is right here where it says basically set automatically, you either want to set this for on, or you can just go and set it custom, but you want to make sure wherever you are, like your locality, wherever you are, that you're actually set automatically to where you actually are. Because if you're not, that's basically going to be a problem. If you're setting up your particular time and it's not set automatically, or if it's set for a different time zone or whatever than where you actually are, that can be a problem that for a lot of people you're basically going to run into. So that's going to be another issue you may want to avoid. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing you can try doing is basically updating your iPhone. If you're severely outdated on your iOS version, there can be a lot of issues that can come with that. So just make your way over to your iPhone settings like this. You want to scroll down until you see General, which is right here. You then want to go and click on Software Update, which is right up here. And then you want to go and update your phone. If your phone has an update, just go ahead and update your version of software. And like I said, for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. And that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.